You're walking outside, heading to work, cycling, or just enjoying your day, and you put on your glasses expecting more than just UV protection. You want smart features, notifications, audio, and hands-free convenience without bulky headsets. That's exactly what the Oakley Meta Vanguard promises: premium eyewear powered by Meta's smart tech ecosystem. But in 2026, are these futuristic glasses truly worth it? Welcome to GigaBits, where we break down the most hyped gadgets so you know what's worth buying. Today we're reviewing the Oakley Meta Vanguard and seeing whether these smart glasses actually deliver on their big promises. I spent days testing the Oakley Meta Vanguard in real situations: outdoor workouts, commuting, calls, notifications, and long casual use. I compared them with previous Meta smart glasses and other audio glasses to measure comfort, battery life, audio quality, and overall usefulness. I also analyzed durability, lens clarity, and how well the glasses handle daily wear. After dozens of tests across different environments, I found clear strengths, but also some important limitations you should consider before buying. Oakley and Meta advertise some strong claims for the Meta Vanguard: premium Oakley design with advanced comfort, open-ear audio for music and calls, built-in smart features like notifications and voice commands, all-day battery life for active users, a futuristic glasses experience without heavy AR displays. The promise is simple: stylish eyewear that enhances your day with subtle integrated tech. But does the Meta Vanguard truly live up to the hype? And is it worth its premium price in 2026? Let's break it down. Step 1. Design and comfort. The Oakley build quality is outstanding. Lightweight, secure, and perfect for long wear. For workouts, commutes, or everyday use, the comfort level is one of the best in the smart glasses category. Step 2. Audio performance. The open-ear speakers deliver clear audio and surprisingly good clarity during calls. They're not made to replace premium headphones, but for outdoor use and productivity, they perform very well. Step 3. Smart features. Notifications, voice assistant access, controls, and calling all work smoothly. The experience is simple, intuitive, and reliable, ideal for users who want convenience without overwhelming complexity. Step 4. Battery life. In normal use, the battery lasts nearly a full day. Heavy audio use drains it faster, but overall it's solid and dependable for daily routines. Step 5. Durability and daily use. The frames feel strong, the lenses are high quality, and the device handles sun, sweat, and movement well. These glasses feel built for active lifestyles. Step 6. Limitations and missing features. Despite their high price, the Meta Vanguard does not include advanced AR displays or projection tech. And while the audio is good, it's still limited compared to true audio devices. For some users, the features may feel too basic for the price. So are the Oakley Meta Vanguard glasses the future of 2026? If you want stylish, lightweight smart glasses with great comfort and practical everyday features, they're definitely worth considering. They offer reliable performance, strong design, and seamless integration with Meta's ecosystem. But if you're expecting next-generation AR features or advanced smart displays, these glasses may feel underwhelming for the premium price. Think of the Meta Vanguard as a refined lifestyle upgrade, not a leap into the sci-fi future. If this review helped you decide whether the Oakley Meta Vanguard is right for you, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We review the best emerging tech every week. Hit the like button if this breakdown helped, and drop a comment telling me which smart glasses you're currently using. Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you choose smarter tech and stay ahead of the future.